Hello students, today we are starting with question number 1 of exercise 11.1. Now in this question we have find the rule which gives the number of mastics required to make the following mastic patterns. Use a variable to write the rule. So here question says that find the rule which gives us the number of mastics required to make the following mastic patterns. Suppose here say I have taken L, in which two mastics are used. Now we have to find that how many mastics are required if there are say any 15 L's or 16 L's. So in one L what we have seen that two mastics are used, right? Now in this way, suppose if I take one more L, then it will be 4. If I take one more L, then it will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here one pattern is formed. See here, at first we have, when I have taken 1 L, that time mastics are used 2. When I have taken 2 L, mastics are used 4. When I have taken 3 L, that time mastics are used 6. So here in every time it is increasing by 2. Now suppose if there are say 10 L, if the suppose number of L is n, then the rule will be 2 into n. So here 2 is the number of mastics required in one alphabet and n is the number of L. If there are say 10 L's, then 2 into 10 it will be 20 L. 20 mastics are used in 10 L's. Okay. So suppose here, so this is this 2n is for only this letter. Now if I take suppose this triangle, if I take, see here 3 mastics are used to make one triangle, right? So that means so what will be the rule here? It will be 3n. Why? Because 3 is the number of mastics used in one triangle and n is the number of triangle we need to form. Suppose if we need to find the mastics of say 15 triangles like this. Suppose that number of triangles are 15. So how many mastics are required to form 15 triangle? It will be 3 into 15. Which is 45. That means in every time this is called variable. This value varies. Okay, it is not fixed. Every time it is changing. Like here I have taken 2. Here I have taken 15. So it changes. The value of the variable always changes. So here whenever you will have to take the letter, you have to first you have to check that how many mastics are used in one particular alphabet. Okay, and with that how many number of letters you need. So here if here 3 L's, then 3 into 3 total 9. If there is suppose 3 L's, then 3 into 2. If there is suppose 5 L's, then 5 into 2. Okay. So in the first part of this question, we have a pattern of letter T. So here we can see that 2 mastics are used. 1 here, 1, 2. 2 mastics are used to form a letter T. So the value will be, so the rule for writing T will be 2 into n. Here n is the number of T we need and 2 is the number of mastics in one alphabet. Now coming to the next part, a pattern of letter Z. So in Z letter, see 1, 2, 3. So 3 mastics are used in one Z, in one alphabet. So it will be 3 and n is the number of Z. If suppose if we need to find the number of mastics say in 15Z, then it will be 3 into 15, which is 45. Now coming to the next part, a pattern of letter U. Here we can see that here 1, 2, 3. 3 mastics are used to form U. That means it will be 3n. 3 is the number of mastics in one alphabet and n is the number of U. Now next, a pattern of letter V. Here we have seen that 1, 2. 2 mastics are used to form this alphabet. So it will be 2 into n. So 2 is the number of mastics in one alphabet and n is the number of V we have. Suppose a pattern of letter E. In the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 mastics are used in one letter, one alphabet. So it will be 5 into n. 5 is the number of mastics in one alphabet and n is the number of E. Now in the next one we have S. So in this S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 mastics are used to form S. So it will be 5 into n. 5 is the number of mastic in one alphabet and n is the number of S we have. Now in the last part, a pattern of letter A. So here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 mastics are used in this particular alphabet. So it will be 6 into n. So 6 is the number of mastic in one alphabet and n is the number of A we have. So in this way we can find the number of mastics in any. So n is the variable over here. So n can be anything, 1, 2, 3, 15, anything. N can be anything. That's why this is called variable. So this way we'll be doing question number 1. Thank you, students.